Hello all, a short addition in the tutorial for the switching tool. The new PWM module has now only 5 dip switches. There is one less for the internal clock divider, which is no more necessary. We now basically use only the range switch. The first and the last switch, as before, are the range switch for the duty cycle, and then switch number 2 is the complementary output mode or free running mode switch, and the switch number 3 is a selection for this potentiometer here. In the on position, it selects the phase angle or the digital duty cycle of the phases, and in the off position the same potentiometer is used to adjust the dead time. We have here the signal. There is one thing we have to take care of. We have to increase a little bit the both duty cycle regulators, because if they are at minimum, they can cause a distortion of the wave. I will show you. If I put it to minimum, this will happen. So only we have to increase it a little bit, always when we use the complementary output mode. Now I will show you the adjustment of the dead time. We will move the switch number 3 to the off position. And now in this position, so we can see it better this way. Here you can see it more clear now. It can be regulated between 0 and 155 nanoseconds in step of 5 nanoseconds approximately. This is only used in the complementary output mode, a special feature for drive H bridges or half bridges. Now we will put it to 0 again. Now we will go back, switch it in on position again. Now I will show you. In this position we can use to select the duration of each channel, of the signal in each channel, in steps of 3%. Or we can use it the same way for a single channel as digital mode PWM, by percentage, not by timing. Okay. We can use, as usual, we can use the frequency range switch to select the broad range of the oscillator, of the clock oscillator. And we don't need in this mode the range switches for the analog duty cycle as it is in digital mode now. So we only use dip switch number 2 and 3 in this mode. Now I will show you a short implementation. I have here improvised a circuit which is a half bridge, the DC blocking capacitor, filter with a divided power source with the 2 capacitors with center tap, which gives me a symmetrical power supply. And yes, something for to play. I have improvised this Tesla coil here. Now we will power on. So now we are out of range. We have to look for the resonant frequency, and we'll turn off the light so we can see the streamers a little bit better. Now we will go up with the frequency. When we have the resonant point, then we can see clearly the nice streamers. Okay, something for the play. Thanks for watching.